Good morning, guys, and let's start trading. Markets open, and it is time to roll. So, last Friday, I had to work. I did not have a chance. I had to go to work early, so I did not have a chance to place my trades and record them like normal. But what I did do is I managed to put on, Friday was a down day, if you guys recall. I did manage to put on a calendar, that's this 260 put calendar, in order to hedge my account to the downside in case things opened up down today. And as you guys can see, I put this calendar on for 360 bucks. It's trading at 407 right now. So first order of business, we got to take off this calendar and we're going to throw on a new calendar at a lower strike to take advantage of this volatility and get us more short deltas. Because as you can see, we just lost all our short deltas. Actually, that's partially because I sold the future, but we'll ignore that and we'll get back to that later. So let's just pull this in, replace order, boom, bada bing, bada boom. Oh wow, it's already at 4. Alright, replace order, let's send you through for 409. Should be able to pull this off. Come on, come on. Come on, you know you want to fill. One more. 408 might be the price it's looking for. Seriously? Oh yeah. Masaka. What the hell are you doing, man? Oh yeah, yeah. I'm just chasing this down. This is crazy. Oh, we're getting a little rally. A little bit of a rally. It's killing my price act. Sama. Oi, 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 oi. Come on. This rally is really killing me. Come on. I need the buying power. Just get off already. Wow, why are the markets... the markets are like 5 cents wide. That's what's the issue is. There we go. Wow, 404. Gave up 10 cents just to get that. Alright, so as you can see, I lost all my deltas. We're going to pop in here. We are going to trade. So we will get some of these deltas back. Selling 350 think call spread. Buying power is going to... Wow, I'm not collecting much of a credit on this. Huh, interesting. I figured I'd collect more... Oh, that's what's up. I was like, I figured I'd collect more of a credit on the ES, but... Am I in the right strikes? Clear this. I already have that. Okay. If I sell this... Well, it reduces my buying power further. Interesting. So I'll collect 112 bucks, put up another 139 bucks, and gets me 0.01 deltas. Sure, why not? Well, it's not going through. That's... Oh, okay, there you go. Wow, that did not do much to my deltas. Oh no, it cut them in half. Okay, cool. Gave me 20 theta as well. And let's pop in here. We're actually going to... Let's see, I collected what? I collected 195 and 205. So... if we combine that, it's gonna be it's gonna be $4. So we're gonna cancel this order and we're gonna try to take this off for not $2, but we're gonna try to take it off early. We're gonna try to take it off for $3.25. Send that through. I want me. Alright, and now we're going to pop in and see if we can get some stocks to short. Just because I need more negative deltas. Anything up today? Let's look at Tom's watch list. Is there anything that is up? Tesla is up. I don't really want to short Tesla. Shop is up. That's interesting. What is Shop? Shopify. We're gonna find something. Costco. I like Costco, but I need short deltas. So we're gonna look at selling the call spread does, and then let's find the put spread. Alright, that gets us negative 10.11 deltas, which is fantastic. And if I break this, I'm still paying for that. That's not ideal. So still paying for that. If I come at the money, we collect a 10-cent credit, putting up 490 in buying power. Max profit's gonna be 515, and if I break it, I collect $2, put up 800. There's still too much risk, but I'll be collecting 12 deltas. Most efficient thing might be putting on another call or another put calendar in SPY. So let's just pop directly into SPY. Let's compare a couple things. Clean this up a little bit. Alright, so first off, if we sell this, buy this, what do we get? Negative 2 deltas. Nothing amazing. Break that. Collect 83-cent credit. This is basically the same thing as a broken wing butterfly, just at the money. Whoa, our buying power would go up actually, which is interesting. Why is my buying power going up? That's interesting. I'd collect 144. My max loss is going to be 157. My max profit is going to be 244. Which is if this is in the money. Yeah. And I'll collect negative 4.99 deltas. This is not going to completely offset my deltas, so. Whereas, let's say we just closed the 260. If we step in and we do the, let's see, if we step in and do another, let's say we do the 255 and we sell, or we buy the 255 for 326. What did I pay for these? I paid 360. So if I do a put calendar spread, that'll completely wipe out my deltas. We'll just bump this up, pay 325, try to put that on, and then portfolio will be balanced. If I can get that trade marking. Big ifs. There we are. Fantastic. And then to manage this trade, we're just going to pop into the 255. And we are going to close position at, let's take a 15% profit, which is going to be 374. Just round that up to 375. And route that as a JTC order, and voila, market keeps selling off. We're hedged. We got negative 5 deltas. Got my short deltas in there. Using up more buying power than I'd like, but what you gonna do? I want to hedge myself. This is the third day in a row SPY's been down. If we pop in and take a look at the charts, got a little rally on the 1 minute. let's look at the dailies. And we're gonna look at, oh, year to date. There you go. Yeah, so it looks like market's starting to come back up, but this sell-off 2 days in a row definitely flattened things a little bit. So that's tempering things. Anyways, I just want to make sure I got, well, A, I took profits, and then B, I want to make sure that I was able to get that calendar trade on. Let's look at the rest of the portfolio. So I put on that futures are in Condor. CCL down slightly. That's not doing any wonders for our portfolio. Delta Airlines also down, but nothing to manage in there though. It's still, yeah, so it's still well out of the money. Macy's is up. My position's up, I mean, but it's still between my strikes, so not much for me to do. Netflix, interestingly, Netflix is up. I could totally sell, like, well, I have negative deltas now, so I don't need to. I was gonna say, I could totally sell another, like, butterfly or something in Netflix. Qs are flat. My Q position is not making or losing money, so that's fine. Spies, again, not much to do. I could actually see what rolling these up would look like, but I want the room to the downside. I don't want to roll up when it's already that close within the move. So AT&T is making, wow, those calls are just minting money. The puts not so much. The puts are not doing very good. So let's see. Yeah, we're sitting right back at almost at the calls. Nothing for me to do though, so just keep holding that trade. I'm actually only down 10 bucks today, which is great because shareholders would be down 50 something. So I'll make another video in a couple weeks just updating you guys on how that trade's doing. Uber, ooh, that's kind of scary. So Uber is down a bit more than I'd like. I might have to defensively roll that guy. Not yet though. I mean, I still have like 3 weeks, but oh, we already looked at Uber. X is still in between the strikes. There's nothing to do. It's up today, which is surprising. I did not expect X to be up, and then oil, the XLE oil ETF is up as well. So overall, portfolio is doing fine. I'm down 40, like down slightly. Anyways, spies making money, doing their job as a hedge, so that's great. Let's pull over. We're gonna look at my IRA, which is completely out of whack. 12 deltas, 7 thetas. There's not really anything I can do here. I don't have very much buying power left. I suppose I could pop in. Let's look at Netflix. Netflix was up. I can get some short deltas on Netflix. And FLX, boom. I don't know what I would do. Earnings, they already had earnings, so I don't have to worry about that. Let's sell this and buy this. Get a delta buster. That would cut my deltas in half for a 30-cent debit. And then if I break the wing, buying power is going to be way too expensive though. So end of the day might be most efficient. I don't have Q's SPY. Let's pull up the diamonds, see what these guys are doing. Oh, nope, not dime. diamonds. Okay. I don't have any trades in diamonds. Ivy is nice. We pull in an iron condor. 255, 260. That'll get me a couple negative deltas and some negative theta. Just drop that to 211. Send that. It's not going to get me very much negative deltas though. So let's try doing $0.58 credit with negative 13 deltas. Let's do it. Hell yeah! Just wiped out my deltas and got some good data. So yeah. Alright. Well, that'll do it. I finally got finally got my deltas balanced in the IRA. That's took a long time. Using a little bit more bind power than I want, but you know, whatever, it is what it is. And everything's balanced out. Sorry this was a longer episode than usual, but I'll try to edit this out, cut down some of the duller parts, and have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. May the deltas ever be in your favor.